Alright guys, welcome back to another video on another motorhome trip. This time we're not going to the east coast as usual, East Lincolnshire or Norfolk. We're going to a Derbyshire town called Bakewell, not far from Matlock. So got two days, 2 nights there, so we're going to check it out, see where it is. It's at campsite, Greenhills, that's the one, Greenhills. So it's only about an hour out, just over an hour from where we are. What time is it now? We're leaving about 11:37. So it's about an hour and a quarter drive there, and because we're not allowed in the campsite till 1 o'clock, we're having a late exit. So, but funny thing is, we were going to go really early this morning, park up at Matlock, have a day round Matlock. That was the plan. You know, like spend 4 or 5 hours before we could go in the campsite just up the road from Matlock. And I checked where I was going to park. I was going to park on the train station, but I looked closely. It says height restrictions on the car park, so I thought, well, I'm going to give that one a miss. What we'll do is we'll have a later start and we'll make us way straight to the campsite, park up, and then go into Bakewell. So this video, what I'm going to do this one, so we're going to take the trip up there. You buckle up and join us, and then we'll just have a quick tour of the campsite, see what it's got to offer, what the facilities are like and all that. And when we're there, I'll give you a little rundown on the prices, what we paid for it for the 2 nights and that. But yeah, buckle up, let's get on the road. Let's go, man, let's go. Turn the handbrake off is a good idea. So parked up at Greenhills. It's quite a big site actually, it's quite busy. I'm surprised how many caravans and campers and motorhomes are on it. There's even a tent down there, just on its own. But yeah, it's got some good views, nice hills. I'll spin it around so you can have a quick wander. This is just one of the fields sort of thing, and as you see, it's all the facilities are like in the middle. And so we're on pitch 130. So if anyone's been around here and you've been on this pitch, let us know. Right, we're gonna have a look in the the facilities, show you around there. So I want to show you around the campsite on this video, show what it's all about. Took a bit of a wrong turning. Well, not a wrong turning, it's just I thought I couldn't at the train station in Matlock. It's a bit dark. At the train station in Matlock, I thought I should have been able to turn right, but I thought I couldn't, so I had to go back. I started heading back into Matlock Bath the other way, so yeah. Apart from that, it was easy to get to. But yeah, let's have a look at the facilities, shall we? Let's go out, have a quick walk around, show you the campsite, what it's like from the pitch, and yeah, come on, let's have a look. So these are the shower blocks in the middle. You've got your ladies' shower block over there.
Yeah.
And then your gents' shower block. I don't know if there's any toilets in there, we'll have a look. Hey? Yeah, you can do. Here she comes. Just outside. The ladies' and gents' washrooms. It's a washroom block, that is. And you'll come in from Greenhills from that direction there. You'll park up just there, and you've got reception just there. So just want to show, this is where you'll get rid of your grey waste. Just here, there's a little next to the laundry room. Let's go there in this way. So, in main blocks, laundry room. Oh, water disposal point. So let's have a look here, in here. So you've got any laundry to do. So you've got like two washing machines and it's a bit, space is a bit tight, but yeah, if you've got some washing to do, it's in here. So, is it automatic? No, you have to coin. It's obviously you have to pay. So, just want to show in the daylight. I can actually show the facilities at Greenhills. So, go back there. You've got a ladies and gents washroom. Obviously, I filmed there earlier. Separate cubicles as well, where you can put your stuff, and they ain't going to get wet, which is a bonus. Let's see how long the showers last for. Right. Wonder if you go off cold. Warming up now. That's quite warm actually. They're good. Oh, they'll last about what, 30-40 seconds, then you've got to push it again. Well, if you're not, last one's the shower I went to, you keep having old bloody hand on the thing, but yeah, about 30 seconds. Yeah, not bad. Warm as well. So let's go and hit the showers. I think it's time for one. Nice and early doors. So yeah, shower and toilet blocks. Great stuff. I'll get down the other one and show you in that one. It's early doors, so hopefully there's no one in that one. I think it's similar to this side, so but I'll put that up now so you can have a look inside. Do your pots, plenty of sinks, hot waters and that. And your disposable waste. Just have a look at it. So, yeah, it's It's where you get rid of your toilet waste. Okay. Come here. And in the same block you've got a shower block here for the gents. Ladies. Actually got a games and vending room. I don't know what it's in here, and there's a bar over there, look, but obviously that's closed this time of year. I suppose it's opens. Yeah, I want to have a look in there. I don't know. Oh, it's got like, you got like DVDs, books. You got probably getting reflection there. You got table football. Actually got a pool table as well. It's all right, isn't it? So yeah, it's got a games and vending room, got a pool table and everything. So this is the little bit, obviously the bar and that's closed. It probably opens in the summer a bit more when it's a bit more on season. And flick it around, you've got a play area for kids. You know, young kids there, like little play area. So this is this is one of the sites. You've got Nelson Point over there on this like little campsite thing. This is all the hard pitch. You've got a tap there. Obviously you come around here, and but you've got separate ones. They look like caravans over that section over there. You've got some statics. You've got another section of the other side, the reception. Yeah. So that's a little walk around. Greenhills. Like so, when I get in here I'll tell you what we paid for it and everything, because this is the second day we've been here. Some nice views and that as well there is, so it's really good. So just get yourself back in the camp. So that's Greenhills then, the campsite. So the cost, it cost us for 2 nights, it cost us £94 something pence, and that includes 2 dogs as well. We had to pay for them separate, and I think it works out at £3.30 something per dog, excluding VAT. So you could say like it costs for 2 nights for the extra on the dogs, it costs like 16-17 quid, something like that. So it's probably about £40 a night. So that's based on 2 people. So I didn't look if you could like just if you're coming on your own. I didn't look, it might be a bit cheaper. But there's four sites, 4 little sections on the campsite. There's the section which is closed is the grass pitching section, but all the others like a hard standing, ain't there? Yeah. Yeah, all hard standing, and they seem pretty level. I think they're all quite level, so you don't need your chocks out or out like that. Facilities are great. You know, you've got 2 shower blocks. That's clean and
Yeah, really nice.
yeah, really nice shower blocks they are.
You have music playing.
Yeah, you have music playing in one of them, so that's why I had to put the a bit of music over the my own music over the when I done the little tour of the one of the shower blocks. So if you're wondering why that is, it's because of that. I didn't want to get, obviously didn't want it to get copywriting. Well, no Iron Maiden though, that's a shame. I think it's just a radio player.
Yeah.
But in the other one there's no radio, so you have to hear yourself go to toilet, or the one, or the person next to you. There's no to drown out your neighbour in the next cubicle. But yeah, it's got all the facilities you need. There's a bar, which is like a little like patio area, load of tables, isn't there?
But
There's
it's
a bar.
not open at
No,
the
it's not
moment.
open. So whether that opens like I say, it's March the 23rd. Is it 24th now?
Yeah.
Monday. So whether that opens up like I don't know, in a few weeks' time,
Probably.
it's going to start.
Yeah.
It's going to start getting busy, isn't it? But it was really busy when we got here. I mean, it's not so busy now. A lot of people packed away yesterday, didn't they?
A lot.
But when we got here, it was really busy, and I was quite surprised how many people were walking around. That's why I had to, when I done the shower cubicle, show you the shower cubicles, I had to go really early in the morning when I woke up, something like about 6 o'clock in the morning. I didn't want to catch anybody in there, like, doing the shower with me going around with a camera. How do you explain that? But yeah, really great site. I think if we're in the area or doing this area, we'll come here again, definitely. Yeah. So that's it really. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you've been here yourself, let us know in the comments what you thought of it and that. And yeah, till next time, we'll see you. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.